I'm going to do a spiral right out of the center right here. And I'm going to do it with pastels. We've got some pastels. So first thing is you take it right here and you just kind of pinch it and you spin it. And see, you're getting your spin here. Getting your spin. Make sure you see these lines coming out just like that, how you want them. This one's going good. Right here. 5. And then I just go like that and we're gonna go paint it. But here are the two. Here's our rainbow. Nice. And this is pastel, so it's going to turn out kind of pastel. Nice. That was great. And then we had the one that was mermaid on one side and rainbow on the other. And so we'll show it from the mermaid side. You can see that rainbow stuff coming through. Nice. Beautiful. My pastel. I like it, it turned out good. I got a pretty bright pink there, but the rest of it looks good. And then this is the one I muted down with the mermaid. You can see that it's got the mermaid background.